Mars in this trine to Jupiter, making the grand trine to Jupiter and Saturn, is truly only happening over the next few days, October 27th, 8th area, and we are never going to feel this again with the water grand trine energy. We will feel it again when Mercury goes retrograde into these degrees and completes the grand trine with Mercury, but we will never feel this with Mars again. So these 3 days are especially potent and powerful for actually taking action. Mars on this big opportunity that we have to somehow coalesce the Scorpionic, the Cancerian, and the Piscean together. So what does that actually look like? We're taking some action in the Scorpio realms with someone else's money, making an investment, doing something occult and psychic, actually taking tangible action in your life to expand your Jupiter-Saturn capacity to hold emotional wisdom and be your own spiritual authority. So that's it.